Hello everyone, this is Techno Peon back with another video. Before we start, make sure you join this Telegram channel. They provide free binary signals every day. I will give the channel link in the description. Today we will talk about how you can get 50% deposit bonus easily. The deposit bonus is something you get extra from Olymp Trade when you are depositing money onto the account. If you are a holder of the VIP account, you can get much more, but the bonuses start from $30. That means every time you deposit $30 or more you can receive a bonus. In this video I will show how to get 50% deposit bonus on your Olymp Trade account. You need to go to Payment. Select Deposit. Next, on the right side of the screen you need to click on Bonuses. From the drop-down menu, select Promo Code. And now enter the promo code here, W6WL. Here you go, you will get 50% bonus of the deposit. Click Activate. Now you need to deposit minimum $200 to get the bonus. That means when you deposit $200, you will get $300 in your account. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get notification of our latest video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, make money.